Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lynn Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do full medium waist length box braids, okay, on undercut hair, okay. Her hair is undercut, you guys can see from the ear down. So if you guys are interested in seeing how you do this tutorial, then go ahead and continue watching, girl. And do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel. All right, so here's the hair that I'm using. I'm going to use 3 packs of the 3-in-1 pack hair. It is a pre-stretch braiding hair, of course, and the color is S Ombre 27. So that means when it's like a S ombre type of thing instead of like a regular ombre, it lets you know that you see the blonde kind of starts in the root too. So the blonde is mixed throughout the whole strand, and at the bottom it is a straight 27 color, which is meaning it's a straight honey blonde color. All right, so here I am just going to use my table, and this is what I'm going to use to section out the hair. A lot of people always ask me, why don't I use the braiding rack? They ask me why I do not use the braiding rack anymore, and because you run out of space with the braiding rack unless you have 2 connected to each other or you have a huge braiding rack. I don't like to use it because I have to stop in the middle of my style and continuously replenish the hair on the braiding rack because I eventually run out of space. All right, I feel like the table is pretty efficient way of sectioning the hair, and you can literally just keep piling the hair on top of each other. You can put 20 packs of hair, girl, on top of each other. So I really prefer using the table method. So here I am, like I said, it from ear down. She doesn't have any hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that whenever we do start, we start above the ear, parted from ear to ear, horizontal. And then we're going to get started. I like to use the green bottle or the red bottle of the Shine and Jam. Today I'm using the green bottle. This gives it a way more hold, and the green bottle works with any type of texture. Just to let you guys know. So yeah, so here I am just kind of pre-parting, and then I'm going to apply the Shine and Jam underneath it, the part, and on top of the part, okay? Then I'm going to fix the part, clear the parting out, make it a little bit more neat and more streamlined. This step is very important. Do not skip this step with putting the Shine and Jam on the roots and then parting it again, because it allows you to just kind of see exactly where the strands are, so that way you can part in a more streamlined fashion. All right, so I already done the first braid, so here I am going to do the second braid. I like to make sure that the hair is moisturized properly before I start braiding it. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of start braiding. I am left-handed, so I like to add the hair from the left-hand side. And yeah, so I like to just continue adding the hair from the left-hand side. I do not add any hair from the right-hand side, guys, all right? So you guys should be able to kind of see what I'm doing. Whenever you do see kind of like crinkles in the hair as you're braiding, make sure you get the comb and kind of detangle the hair as you're braiding, so that way you're not braiding the hair and it's all tangly still. This gives it a more softer and a more neater appearance. So yes, guys, so I'm just going to keep on braiding, and then when I feel like I need to keep adding hair to make it thicker, I'm going to keep adding hair. So I like to add 1/2 at a time. You see I'm braiding that in, and then I'm adding the other half between the pointer finger and my thumb. I added the same space, the same kind of rhythm every single time. So yeah, so there you go. See me adding the piece again, braiding to the right, braiding to the left, and then adding that piece back into the thumb and the pointer finger, and just continue braiding. When I am done adding hair, then I am going to just kind of switch my hands to a regular plait form, because that's how I braid quicker. If I'm kind of keeping it where I'm just like in the adding hair type of stance, it's going to take a while to get through the braid, okay? This just kind of helps me go quicker. So yeah, so that's just kind of what I like to do, girl. Okay. All right, y'all, so that is basically kind of it. Everything else is self-explanatory. Just going to kind of watch how I'm doing it, watch how I'm braiding it. Everything is going to be braided from ear to ear to ear until I get to the spot where I want to just kind of start focusing on the top. I always do a middle part, and I like to measure the middle part from the center of the person's nose. Once I get to a place where I have like a few rows left at the top, just to make sure that all the braids are kind of even on both sides. All the rows are even on both sides. So yes, guys, just kind of watch how I'm doing the rest of the video, and I will talk to you guys in another video. All right. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Love y'all so much. Bye.
You're on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? What is this and how are we still standing? Every time we crash and burn on landing, always searching for a sign. Though we get it every time. What are we? What are we? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? What is this and how are we still standing? Every time we crash and burn on landing, always searching for a sign. Though we get it every time. What are we? What are we? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? 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 What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? What is this and how are we still standing? Every time we crash and burn on landing, always searching for a sign. Though we get it every time. What are we? What are we? What are we?